It'll weigh like 2 months.
Oh, I thought he was about to crash.
Yeah.
That was crazy. He punched out before he flipped, though. That's what happened. I was like, yo, he flipped that close to the ground.
We planted the tree. It's pretty locked.
I know
He's not
I'm gonna
getting too
smack
much.
some of these little branches, the
Yeah.
ghost branches or whatever.
It's pretty locked. He ain't getting too much bounce back at all.
Yeah, he got it to him nice.
I just put that new beta flight on mine. Been checking it out. With the feed forward and all that.
You do line of sight?
You don't let me.
Because he bring too many props.
Oh, that's neat.
I made this from stuff we had at work. It's called I think it's like a linen phenolic. So I painted them like the.
For tiny whoops, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, actually, this came with it, but it came with a bigger one that goes in the wall. They're all big, monstrous square charger thing, whatever it is. But this actually hooked into the light bulb.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's
So
pretty
y'all
cool.
got tiny whoops out here?
Yeah, he had. I think he was. I left mine at home.
Oh, I got the Beta 75 Pro 2 out here. It's a 2S whoop though.
Mobular.
Okay, yeah.
This thing is pretty cool. It's a brushless. And I bought this online at the FPV marketplace from Chris Romano. And this is really cool. This is a little
Gold
brush.
motors.
Yeah, it's sharp, man.
Okay, yeah, got the gold motors from tinyhoop.com. I think that's
Got them somewhere, Amazon, somewhere on there. Yeah, they worked out pretty good. I fly this one at work a lot.
Is that the 75 or the 65?
This is 60.
This got a
I got a 65.
This got a cockroach.
I got a, okay.
this has the trash can frame on it,
Yeah, it's V3.
right? But
V3.
but you got it backwards.
No, this is the front because you can put LEDs on there.
Yeah, the LEDs go in the back.
The picture said it was on the front.
No, go in the back.
Does it go in the back, man?
Yeah, I got the.
I was wondering why I kept dipping forward. Took
yeah,
them off and get that
yeah,
weight
the
off
LED
there.
goes on the back so people flying behind you can see, see
Well,
you.
why would you want that?
So they don't smack into you, I guess.
Oh. Well, I was going to put the little smoker in the back, and when they get close,
Oh, you don't want them to see
hit
you,
their
right?
camera, then they'll be like, I can't see, I got to dump it. Yeah. No, it's all good.
Take them down, huh? Look,
No, it's not dead.
Beta 75 Pro 2. It's like the Mobile, but
Gosh, man, that thing is smooth. It's sleek because look how small this canopy is.
oh yeah,
Now,
I
what's
put
this
that.
stick
I
up?
actually
Why
put
does
that
stick up
canopy
there?
on there. This is the FPV.
I was wondering why, because mine's always underneath. You gotta
Oh yeah, I pull
you
it
should
out. Yeah.
I was wondering about. I thought I had to touch something or something. I had one drone you had to touch it to something.
Well, I think if you stick it up, it it gives you better
Good.
range.
Thank you.
Because it's
Yeah.
sticking up in the air.
I'll do that. Yeah. That's sharp. You keep it well too. I fly in like a dirty
Yeah, I
environment.
see
at
you
work,
flying in the grass a lot.
man. Yeah. Yeah, right.
Yeah. Oh, you got the remote so you can change colors and stuff. I did some little tiny whoop gates with lights on them too, but I used the shoestring lights. You could go on
Yeah.
Amazon and get the shoestring lights.
Alex sells them.
Oh, okay.
He just has the metal
Oh, he
ones.
got the store, right?
Yeah, metal ones you pop open
Uh-huh.
and it says Beta FPV and they're really,
Yeah, that's the
they're
one
pretty
I got.
big. And
Yeah.
you string it through.
Yep.
Yeah, it's shoestrings, exactly.
Yep,
And they have the white. It's real kind of cheesy. Looks like a little.
Little-
Yeah, you get the button.
Yeah.
But it's rechargeable.
Mhm.
It's nice. Then you got the let me see, auto. And you got the flash.
Welcome to OpenTX.
And you can flash faster or slower. Let me see.
I like flying at line of sight.
You can do fast or slow. I think it's pretty good. Oh, you doing acro?
Kind of windy out here, though.
Yeah. You still handle it pretty well.
Oh, I was wondering why I made that noise. I hit that little wire right there.
Yeah, the green wire. Yeah. Did you see the trick they're using for the? Is that a pigtail battery? Has a pigtail in it?
No, this is, well, yeah, I got an XT30 on here. Let's see how far I could go before this monitor conks out on me.
Set this up against a tree for you.
Oh, you can. those gates is real tight though. Look like. Oh yeah, they stomping all over my signal. I can't even go nowhere with this.
That's what I'm saying. Like I was over there flying around the kite and somebody stomped it out. And I was like,
Yeah.
oh, now we're done.
I'm line of sight with it, I guess. I don't know. That's kind of tight.
Yeah, a little bit. Get it down. Good job, man. I think that's a pretty good talent. That's brushless?
Yeah. Line of sight proximity. Mess around and get this guy stuck in the tree. Crashed and burned. Sun's blinding that way. Oh! Hit a branch. I don't even know. I tried to power loop it. Oh, my battery conked out on me.